Did you know that thousands of Aussie homeowners are slashing their energy costs with solar battery rebates? Here's how you can too. The Australian government is offering some fantastic rebates for homeowners who install solar battery systems. This means you can save big on upfront costs and reduce your reliance on the traditional electricity grid. How much can you save, you ask? Well, the savings vary based on battery size, your location, and other incentives. As a rule, you will save about $300 to $330 per kilowatt. So, who's eligible? If you own your property and have a grid connected solar panel system, you're in luck. Just make sure your new battery system meets technical requirements and is installed by a Clean Energy Council accredited installer like Wix Energy. And here's the kicker, you might be able to stack federal and state rebates for even more savings. So why wait? Jump on this opportunity and start saving big with the federal solar battery rebate today.